Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, Northern Union County, Indiana, Northeastern Fayette County, Indiana, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Connersville, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Connersville, Centerville, Cambridge City, Waterloo, Abington, Milton, Greens Fork, East Germantown, Spring Grove, Boston, Richmond Municipal Airport, Wick Station, Metalfield, Clifton, Middleborough, Jacksonburg, Philo, Math, and Descents. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 139 and 156. I-70 in Ohio